Hello guys, a new mining video. Today we'll show you how to mine free money to your wallet. We use always Telegram. All news about coin and other mining platform will be in the channel. The link will be in description. Also in the first comment of the video, there is many coin to earn in Telegram, all in my channel Telegram. Let's proceed. Like you see, this wallet in a new wallet in the Telegram. After joining, you must put passcode. Let's put passcode. We put just a passcode to create this wallet. You will get seed also. Create new. Like you see, it will give you this seed phrase. You must take it, copy and protect in other in your notebook. You must do that to not lose your wallet. This is the wallet. It's like wallet in Telegram. How to earn in this Telegram? I have 0, like you see, 0 here. There is an airdrop in this wallet. We go to earn. We just make this 3-1 to collect coins. We join. We return. We click in claim. We join. It's an airdrop in this wallet. It's simple airdrop. It will be launched soon. When it's complete, your coin will be swappable to here. You can swap your coin here when it's in this airdrop. Like you see, this is my wallet. Like you see, how to mine. Now we go to apps and we launch this bot. It's in the wallet. We choose any one of these button. We play, press play. Like you see here, we play. We click in wallet. We connect our wallet. When it's end the airdrop, you can swap your coin to the wallet. It's in the wallet. You connect your wallet. Like you see, my wallet is connected. We go to earn here. We join all these. It's simple, joining Discord and Twitter and joining groups to make some coins. We just join. We return. We click in claim. It's not do. We do this one. We click in claim. Like you see. We click in claim. We just we click claim. We collect coins like that. There is site also. We collect coins like that. We return to push. We have 1000 push. You can use auto clicker and it's refillable. Like you see, energy it's return. You can let it taps for you with auto clicker. Like you see, when you click, it unlimited click. Like you see, the energy is rise up every time you click. Like that. You can boost energy taps. There is energy recovery power. It's recovering your power very fast. Like that. You can purchase. For the first time, I advise to use earn. Use coin here and go to boost. Boost this boost recovery energy and energy limit power up, and also boost power button. It will increase your number of taps like that. Here booster, there is booster for free. Here there is energy booster for 0.05 SU. It's paid. There is special. You can have auto bot power here. You can buy it if you want to buy it. Like see, you can purchase the Autobot will collect for you, but we use 3 ways to earn. Like you see, we just use this tapping way to get our coins. When airdrop ends, you can your coins will be in your wallet here. That's how it's work. It's a wallet in the Telegram app. It's like the wallet of Telegram app. Also, there is many coins in my Telegram channel. New many coins. There is over 100 coins to mine in Telegram. Join my channel. The link will be in description, also in the first comment of the video. Join my channel and daily update. Also, there is many coins to earn and to have money for free. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.